What's up, everyone? Right now, what I want to do is share a short example of how you can become an AI content creator and start a completely faceless YouTube channel for $5 or less. First, you can create a completely free ChatGPT account and enter a prompt to get a full script for a popular topic. Then you can navigate to an AI voice generator site like 11 Labs and use the text-to-speech feature to create the voiceover for that script. Now, 11 Labs is great and you can start using it for free, but at most you can sign up for just $5. And check out the description because I do have a link for you to sign up. Now that you have the script and a voiceover, then you can start a free Canva account. Canva has tons of stock videos and images that can be used for the background of your video. And just like that, you have spent at most $5 and created faceless content that can be uploaded to YouTube. Now, this is just a short example, but if you want a more in-depth tutorial, then please like this video and subscribe because that's how I know that you want more content like this. So how do you actually learn these AI skills? The good news is that you don't need to go back to school or a boot camp. There are tons of free and low-cost options to get started. The first step is to simply create a free account and start using platforms like ChatGPT, Canva, or AI video generator sites. Google actually offers several free courses that you can start to learn AI, including the essentials of prompting. Coursera is another great platform that offers beginner-friendly classes for free. There's also YouTube channels that break down AI tools step by step. You can also check out Udemy, which is a platform that I've used personally and has paid courses that often go on sale for $10 or $15. These are all great resources that you can start using today to experiment and build your skills. Once you've got a little practice under your belt, you don't have to wait for someone to hire you full-time. You can start freelancing right away. You can check out platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. On Upwork, for example, there are freelance AI video specialists who charge $40 to $100 an hour. Some common gigs people are offering include writing using AI, designing logos or social media posts with AI art tools, and crafting AI prompts for other creators or small businesses. You can even build a simple portfolio just by showing off what you've created with free tools. With these tools, you can start small, build credibility, and then raise your rates over time. Learning these skills is not only useful for side hustles or freelancing, but also to find your next job. There's actually been a huge spike in job listings that ask for AI-related skills. This recent article from CBS News talks about the massive increase in job listings looking for people with AI skills. The article mentions that AI-themed job postings have increased by over 100% in the last year alone. This is just a tipping point and will only increase. The great thing is that you don't have to be a coder or have a degree. Just having basic knowledge of how to use AI tools is opening doors right now. What you need to consider with AI is that every time there's a major shift in technology, people panic. It happened when computers showed up, it happened when the internet started taking over, and now it's happening with AI. But if you look back, you'll see the same pattern. New technology kills off some jobs, but it also creates entirely new ones. Jobs that never existed before. The people who thrive are the ones who learn how to use the new tools and not run from them. AI isn't just replacing jobs, it's creating opportunities. And now's the time to jump in. AI is quickly becoming the new must-have skill, kind of like knowing how to use email or Microsoft Word. Even if you're not working in tech, companies value people who know how to use AI tools. If you don't learn it, you fall behind. But if you do, you instantly become more valuable in today's job market, especially for remote work. So here's what I hope you take away from this. You just need to start. AI is the future, and those who learn how to use it today are the ones who will thrive tomorrow. And if you found this content valuable, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.